A 6-year-old takes on my pet ornament project. Let's see how she does. Keep watching. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? It is Vlogmas number 14. So today, something extra special. Today, I decided to talk about the children, how we cultivate their creativity and how we let them express themselves. I have a very special little guest in the video that you're about to see. She is our princess, Kami, and she was so overjoyed when I told her, you're gonna be on YouTube. She wants to be on YouTube so bad, and she's only 6 years old. She's bright, she's very funny, she's creative, she's the sweetest little girl that you will ever meet. She's super smart and she's super helpful. And I was so excited to be able to film this video with her in it. Teaching her some of the things that she sees us doing, that she sees me doing on YouTube. And she loves to be creative. She's into all types of things, and her excitement is so refreshing. When you see the excitement through the eyes of a child, it just makes you happy. And it's so important for us to be able to cultivate our children and we have to teach our children when they're young. A lot of times people underestimate children this age. They think that they don't understand. They do understand. They're a whole lot smarter than we want to give them the credit for, And I just look at her in amazement because her problem solving skills and the way she thinks and the way she wants to put things together and just the joy that she has from doing the little simple things is something that us as adults need to go back and rediscover. It will make us a whole lot happier. So here she is doing a cute little, pet ornament project that she had seen me do on YouTube, that she had seen me do a video of. And she has her 2 dogs featured so she can go and hang it on the tree. So she was so excited, and I just let her go with minimal direction. She knew exactly what she wanted to do, and that's when I saw the magic in her. A lot of these children have magic in them, and we shouldn't stifle them because we want them to do what we want them to do. I let her express her little creative mind, and she was just so happy doing it. Putting glitter on, putting the stars on, and she was so proud. And all our children need is our encouragement. My oldest daughter was always involved in the arts. She was interning for me. She was interning for me when she was 10. My little daughter, my youngest daughter, she is the Picasso of the family. She's the fine artist, and her sculpting skills are beyond measure. The talent that I see, the talent that my husband and I see in our girls is something that we never tried to restrict. As a matter of fact, when they were little, we let them draw on the walls in our bedroom. And it was just a sight to see all of the creativity that surrounded us on a daily basis. We did not hinder that creativity because of a rule that you're not supposed to draw on the wall. We just let them have free reign and let them express themselves. And when we allow children to express themselves, they're better for it. They don't feel that they have to hide. They don't feel afraid or ashamed to come to us with even bigger problems. So I am an advocate for letting our children express themselves. So that's why I say teach them young. I joke, I said Camilla's going to be a millionaire by the time she's in 6th grade, and she's 6 years old because she's such a little entrepreneur. And I'm all for teaching her how to do that. I'm all for teaching her the ways, and I'm all for teaching her and guiding her and being a mentor so that she's equipped, so that she knows at a very young age how it is and what it takes to form a business and the ethics of hard work. And I want to teach her the ethics of hard work. She's got very hardworking parents, and you know, it shows. She's a very responsible little lady, and I'm just really proud of her, and I'm really proud to have her in my life. She's our little shining star, and yeah, you'll see her here. She's just having the time of her life, just creating. There's like nothing stopping that little young creative flow, and it's just so cute to watch her express herself through this creativity. I just am in awe of her spunkiness, of her little bright light, and I just love her to pieces. So yeah, I believe that encouraging children from a very young age makes them confident. I believe that encouraging children from a very young age makes them not afraid to try new things. We should embrace their failures instead of thinking of it as a negative. We should always encourage them that when they fall, to get back up. They should never feel ashamed when they've lost at something or when they fail. Or rather, we should cultivate that and use that to encourage them to keep on going, because the next time is going to make them better. So I do love seeing her happy little face with her cute little creation that she created, and she's going to so happily go and hang it on her tree, and she's showcasing her pets, and yeah, she was really happy. Then she moved on to painting some rocks and, you know, creating designs, and she's so cute because we were at my daughter's house and we were all there for her birthday that just passed. And she's got such a cute little heart, our Cami. She's like, well, Lexi gave me this, and I'm going to give her one that I created because it's her birthday present. So not only is she creative and excited, she's not selfish, and she has such a little genuine heart, such a giving heart. And, you know, it is a product of being accepted and being nurtured and being encouraged to be the best that she can be. And we will always be there to cheer her on. We're her biggest fans, and let's see where the sky is the limit to where our little princess can shine and go. Cami, you're gonna be a millionaire by the time you're in 6th grade. So there you have it, our young vivacious little girl creating her ornaments, and she did a great job. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So if you like this video, please like, please subscribe. If you're new here, my name is Maria. I'm a talented Latina. Our Cami is the youngest member of a talented Latinas, and yeah, she's going to be interning for us with all of our special projects too. And you know, in a little while she'll be directing us as well, so let's look forward to that. So yeah, it's a short video, but it's a sweet one. It's a powerful one. It's, you know, I believe that there should be more videos like this with children being creative, because it just encourages them to keep on going and to keep wanting to strive. She was so excited with this YouTube video, and I cannot wait for her to see it. So Cami, if you're watching this video, you did great. We love you. Join us tomorrow for Vlogmas 15. Peace.